Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 7. It is from section 3.1 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. We need to determine whether the relation represents a function. Let's take a look at the inputs. The inputs are the first coordinates, and so we have an A, a B, and a C. We have no repeating inputs, and so each input has exactly one output, and so this is a function. Each input has exactly one output, so this relation is a function. Now, it's okay that the outputs are repeating. That just means the function is not one-to-one. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.